First up is Alorica is a global customer service company that works with major brands in healthcare, retail, finance, and tech. They've been around since 1999 and have offices in 19 countries. Why it's great, Alorica is perfect for beginners. They offer paid training, and most roles start at around $15 per hour. They provide the tools you need to work from home. Jobs available: customer service representative, technical support, chat support services. Hey friends, are you tired of job hunting with no experience and still getting ghosted? In this video, I'll show you 9 legit companies that are hiring right now for remote, no experience roles, and I'll tell you exactly what jobs are available, what they pay, and how to apply. So stay tuned until the end, and let's get you working from home. Don't just apply on a single company. Another best company is Kelly Services. Kelly Services has been connecting job seekers to employers since 1946. They have a division called Kelly Connect that specializes in remote work. Why it works: no experience needed, flexible hours, weekly pay, and they even offer healthcare benefits. Jobs available: remote interpreter, admin assistant, scheduler. Apply at kellyservices.us or kellyconnectjobs.com. LiveOps is a virtual call center platform where you can work as an independent contractor. They offer flexible scheduling and work with clients in retail, healthcare, insurance, and more. You choose your own hours and work when it suits you. Pay varies by project, but usually ranges from $15 to $20 per hour. Jobs available: customer service, sales, tech support. Apply at liveops.com/become an agent. Concentrix is a customer experience company that hires globally. They offer full-time and part-time remote jobs with paid training. Why it works: they regularly have openings and accept candidates with little or no experience. Jobs available: customer service rep, tech support, seasonal agent. Apply at jobs.concentrix.com. Next up is Pearson. Pearson is a major educational company that hires remote scorers and test evaluators. Some roles require a bachelor's degree, but not always prior work experience. Why it works: pay is usually $15 to $30 per hour depending on the test and role. Jobs available: test scorer, scoring assistant. Apply at pearson.jobs. Another best company is Revi. It offers freelance transcription, captioning, and subtitling jobs. No experience needed, but you do need to pass a basic test. Why it works: work whenever you want and get paid weekly. Pay depends on the task, but averages $20 per hour for quick typers. Jobs available: transcriptionist, captioner, subtitle translator. Apply at rev.com/freelancers. TTEC hires people worldwide to work remotely in customer service, sales, and tech support. Why it works: TTEC trains you, offers full-time benefits, and pays around $14 to $18 per hour. Jobs available: customer service rep, bilingual support, sales rep. Apply at techjobs.com. Robert Half is a staffing agency that posts thousands of jobs, including many remote, entry-level options in admin, data entry, and finance. Why it works: they help with your resume, prep you for interviews, and connect you with legit employers. Jobs available: data entry clerk, remote admin assistant. Apply at roberthalf.com. NextRep is another virtual call center company hiring contractors for sales and customer services. Why it works: work with well-known brands, flexible hours, and many jobs don't need any experience. Jobs available: inbound sales, customer care, appointment setting. Apply at nextrep.com. Platforms like dataannotation.tech, Remotasks, and Amazon Mechanical Turk let you get paid to label data that trains AI. Why it works. Easy tasks, no experience needed, and you can work as much or as little as you want. Jobs available, text classification, image tagging, chatbot training. Apply at dataannotation.tech, remotasks.com, mturk.com. Now that you know about these 9 companies, it's your turn. Click the links in the description, apply today, and let me know in the comments which company you're going for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a remote job right now. More helpful videos coming your way every week. Until next time, keep growing, keep applying, and keep believing. Download my free guide, 10 Quick Tips to Land a Remote Job Without Experience. Link in description.